Welcome to Born Cottage. Every day I upload free house designs on my subscribers' demand. So the beautiful tiny house you are watching on the screen. In this video I'll share the complete floor plan with all the sizes and details. So keep watching the video. So this is the floor plan of the house. The total area I have taken is the length is 23 feet in meter 7 meter and the width is 13 feet in meter 4 meter. In the front we have 3 feet 4 inches wide outdoor sitting area and a sliding door. After that we'll go inside. So we have living plus kitchen cum dining area. You can see here the sofa arrangement, TV unit on the front wall, and we have kitchen cabinet with burner, sink and refrigerator arrangement. Also on the left side we have dining counter with 2 chairs and 3 large size window for ventilation and light purpose of this area. On the right side we have common use washroom plus water closet. You can see here the water closet and the wash basin, and we have ventilator for ventilation of this washroom. And on the right side we have a bedroom here. You can see here the bed arrangement, wardrobe arrangement and a large size window for ventilation and light purpose. And we have attached washroom plus water closet with this room. You can see here the wash basin, water closet and the shower area, and we have ventilator for ventilation of this washroom. So this is the floor plan of the house you are watching on the screen. If you want your free house design, so comment below. If you like the video, keep watching the video. Stay tuned with my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks.